Nice to meet you, have a nice day. I've had a bad week and a bad day. Just had my breakfast out of an ashtray. Collection agencies want to take my collections away. I'm asking for a pay advance on next month's payday. I've had a bad week and a bad day. To a job interview an hour late on the wrong day. I sat there wearing my sunglasses, I forgot to shave. The secretary says, sit down, let me see your resume. She looks at me kinda funny like she's got something to say. Gives me a sideways look and says, hey, hey, you're a guy who's an hour late for a job interview on the wrong day. Just lost my good girl to a dude with a bus pass. She says she can't wait around for me while I'm doing my loser laps. I've been using the same bus ticket for 4 damn weeks. The new bus driver threw me off on the wrong damn street. My guitar out on the string. I got about enough money on me for the socks on my feet.